Ryan's thumbnails are full of secrets, including a secret AI trick to change clothes fast. Time to expose it. First thing first, we're going to start by sketching out an idea for the outfit, of course. In my case, I'll be going with a simple suit. Classy one, of course. Now double click on the smart object. It will open a transparent image of Rayan Trahan, as we can see. We're going to add a darker solid color. And now we're going to export our image that we're going to upload into an AI website that have a remix option. In my case, I use Ideogram. You can use ChatGPT or Leonardo AI. They are free to use. You'll find links down below, bro. After writing a prompt of what I want, which is a suit in my case, I generated images. Let's put it on Photoshop. So the remix option saves a lot of details, especially the posture and some details like contact shadows with the suit, as you can see. So that's why it looks so realistic in Ryan's thumbnails. Let's lower the opacity now, and then we're going to resize the image on Ryan's body. After we do that, we're going to cut the image out. After cutting the suit, press Ctrl+T and then hit this option, which will give us more freedom to resize the suit wherever we like. After we finish, we're going to clean the edges to look very convincing. And then we're going to press Ctrl+S to save it. And don't forget to hide the solid color in the background. And here we have the cool suit, bro. The final look will do the job, and the only tiny problem we have is the light. As you can see, it's hard light coming from the right hitting on Ryan's face. So yeah, let's try and match that with curves. And this is the final results after fixing the lights and the colors. There will be the uncut version of relighting process at the end of this video for anyone who wants to follow up. At the end, make sure to subscribe. There will be crazy content that will help you guys be better at creating thumbnails like famous YouTubers.